Drum roll, please. It's the first weather report of 2026. Get in, or else your whole rest of your year will suck if you don't come to my weather report right now. We have a return to a very wet weather pattern for the West Coast to kick off 2026. Looks like the Southwest is also getting some of this crapple. However, much above average temperatures for much of the northern Rockies, and that continues through the plains and into the lower Mississippi, and below average temperatures for the upper Mississippi, the Great Lakes, and the Northeast. Active lake effect snows Thursday into Friday downwind of Erie, Ontario, and Superior Lakes. And they're not mentioning it right off the bat, but looks like the East Coast is just getting hit with some frozen pee. Regular pee in some places. Depends on your temperature and altitude. Check your locals. Temperatures! We've got East Coast, Midwest, Plainsy Poos, Mountains, and Specifics. McMurdo Station on the Ross Sea in Antarctica sitting at 36 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds from the northeast at 10 to 18 miles per hour, giving you a real feel of 27 degrees Fahrenheit. Alaska, very cold, very windy. High wind, heavy snow potential for south central and southeast as a deep layer cyclone is forecast to move into the state. High daytime temperatures for today. We have negative 15, 16 up on the Arctic Circle and as low as negative 52 for a daytime high for the interior. It is slightly warmer along the coastlines with some single digit temperatures. And if you're out on the actual Bering Sea, it's 35 to 38. Aleutians seeing 41 to 39, 32 for near Anchorage to 22, and 2 for the Panhandle. Hawaii seeing small craft advisories for the western end of the state and coastal flood statements for almost everywhere on the island chain. The dissipating front is going to move across the islands Thursday into Friday, leaving an increase in rainfall and stronger trade winds. Drier trade wind weather is favored on Saturday, giving way to potential increase in P and winds for Sunday and Monday. We'll keep an eye on that. Daytime high temperatures for the island chain in the high 70s for the low 80s for most areas. All right, remember, all your resolutions will fail if you don't show up daily for your weather report. Whatever your resolution is, or if you don't have one, it's now to show up every day for the weather report and share the weather report with your friends and comment on the weather report. And in general, keep being amazing and awesome and you and weather. Okay, bye!